For your bridge march, you're gonna start with your feet hip distance apart. You're gonna inhale here, exhale to bridge up, and then you're going to march as you exhale, bringing one leg up, tap it back down, exhale, march it back down. Being thoughtful that your pelvis here as you march up is not dipping and lowering down, so keep that pelvis level and parallel throughout as you march one leg at a time. And then you'll lower back down. Side plank with your clamshell. So we're gonna do both together. You're gonna inhale here, exhale as you press your hips up. You're going to also press that top knee up at the same time to connect that glute and connect your obliques on the bottom. You're then gonna inhale as you slowly sit back down with control. As you press up, be thoughtful that your hips and your shoulders are not rolling back, that they're staying nice and stacked throughout the movement as you lift and as you lower. You're gonna take your feet, line up your big toe, right in line with your kettlebell. You're gonna come down into your squat, take your hands right over, knees are tracking right over your toes, my hips are back into that imaginary chair behind me. I'm gonna inhale here at the bottom to prepare, exhale, drive through my heels to stand tall. Again, being thoughtful that at the top, my pelvis is not passing over my heels, I'm keeping my weight back in my seat. And then I'm gonna inhale as I slowly lower, reaching my hips back behind me in order to bring the weight back down to the floor. Goblet lunge, you're gonna start with the weight at your chest, you're gonna step back, lower down, exhale to step forward. Inhale to lower down, exhale to step forward. All right, so incline plank, elbow to knee. So you're gonna inhale here, exhale, draw your right knee up towards your right elbow, reach it back out, exhale, knee towards same side elbow, exhaling as you pull in, lengthening back out.